The origins of the barbecue are clouded in a bit of a smoky haze, but it's believed the Caribbeans were the first barbecuers. Of course, back then they didn't have charcoal grills. They roasted their meat over a smoky pit. Today there's nothing like a barbie in the garden, and the taste of incinerated burgers. Production of a basic grill begins with large steel discs. A machine with rollers coats each one with a soapy lubricant. Then they're fed to a press that stretches the disc into a bowl. Stretching steel is a bit tricky. It could tear if they don't lubricate it well enough. So each disc gets a generous application before it goes under the press. The press swiftly transforms the flat piece of steel into a round bowl. This is a back view of the press. Using mechanical might, the ram delivers 500 tons of pressure. A similar type of press is used to make the lids for the barbecues. An operator inspects each part for splits and cracks. Then it's over to a press that trims the rim. The scrap pieces are tossed into a bin for recycling. Next, the barbecue bowl is spun while an automated roller flanges the rim. After that, the bowl is perforated to make holes for ventilation. Now they bring out the welding guns. The guns fuse metal couplings to the bowls to serve as attachments for the barbecue's legs. Here, handles are loaded into a fixture. A turntable swings into action and delivers the bowl to welders that fasten the handles to each side. At another station, they're working on the barbecue lids. A handle is welded onto each one. This one will allow the chef to lower the lid to control the cooking temperature, and then lift it again when it's time to flip those burgers. The barbecue parts now travel on an overhead rail to the wash station. Here, nozzles hose them down with soapy water and then rinse them. Once they're dry, they head over to the finishing department, where they are dusted with a glass powder. Then it's into a furnace that's 848 degrees Celsius. The furnace bakes the glass dust into an enamel finish that will protect the parts from rust and stains so they'll last for years. Next, they go under lights which expose any defects in what should be a mirror-like finish. The technician examines each part, inside out. A punch machine now makes dampers from aluminium. It simultaneously cuts the shapes and embosses the company's trademark onto them. A damper is a handy attachment that enables the chef to control the flow of air to the grill. Nylon grips are put on the handles, and the damper is installed over the lid's ventilation holes. It's up to the consumer to do the final assembly, something that should take just a few minutes before all your mates arrive.